David and Jimmy's video! Yay!
During an NCHS baseball game, one of the players throws the ball across the field. The baseball's path can be modeled by a quadratic function where x is the time in seconds and y is the height of the ball in feet. The player releases the ball from a height of 6 feet. After 1.5 seconds, the baseball reaches a maximum height of 30 feet. Write a quadratic equation to model the path of the baseball. Then use the equation to find the height of the baseball after 2 seconds.
Okay, so right here we have the starting off point of 6 feet, and it goes up to the maximum height of 30 feet at 1.5 seconds.
So in this problem we're using vertex formula, which is y equals a parentheses x minus h parentheses squared plus k. We also know that at 1.5 seconds the ball was at 30 feet. Also what we know is that 0 seconds the ball was released at 6 feet. So we're going to let the 6 feet equals y and the 0 equals x. So we're going to plug that in to get this. We're going to subtract 30 and get negative 24, and then we're also going to square this, or the negative 1.5 because it's 0. And then we're going to get that equals a 2.25. Then we're going to divide this to get a equals negative 10.66. So we now have our a for this equation. We're then going to plug that in to get, we're not going to plug that in and get a equals 10.66, but we also want to know that at what the ball was at 2 seconds, so we're going to make x equals 2. And so then we're going to plug that in to get this equation, and after using all of this we'll get y equals 27.335 feet, and that is where the ball is at 2 seconds. As you can see in the graph over here, at the parabola at 2 seconds it is about at 27.